Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to upcycle your pesto jars and make a beautiful flower arrangement. This is the jar that I have cleaned that had the pesto in it. I have put water and flower food in here, and to take the labels off it's best to use hot boiling water, pour it over and a little bit of soap, and it just helps it peel off. Or you can steam it, and that also makes it a much cleaner break when you take off the paper. To cover this part of the jar, I have got this ribbon and I have a bead here. I sewed it through with wire and attached it like this, and then all I did was pop that on, and there we go. And you can use any ribbon of your choice. To make this, I have got some really nice light pink roses. I also have a darker pink as well. Some alstroemeria. And if it fits, I've got a chrysanthemum as well. Now, how to make this, I'll just move this jar out of the way. Now, how to make it is really the same style as you would with a hand tie or a small posy. You have the flower here in the middle, and then I would put it round at an angle here on the next flower, and make sure they're always facing the same way. As you can see here, I have also cleaned the stems and taken any leaves off. If you'd like to see how to do this, please watch my video on how to make a bouquet. As you can see, it's starting to take shape. Always keeping them at an angle. And there is no right or wrong way on how to put them together in the sense of which colours go next to each other. It's really just what you prefer. Some people prefer to have it more aligned, others dotted or in clusters of colour. It's really your preference. And since this one has a natural blend, that will be nice to go at the bottom here. And it has a nice dome shape. And you can move them up through the middle if you notice they're not quite at the right shape. It's always good to use a mirror just to get another view. And then what I would do is add the alstroemeria around the bottom. And I do have a small gap, so I'm going to use the croissant. And now I will tie it with some very thin string. Making sure it's tight. And a good way to then tie it is to hold it with your thumb. Pop it on the edge of the surface so you're not damaging too much the flowers. And cut the string. Now we need to make the stems even and make sure it fits into the small jar. I would probably cut them about here. Let's see how that works. And if you notice some are uneven, you can just lift them up. And here is the vase arrangement I have made. Thank you for listening, everyone, and watching my video. If you would like to see more videos on flower arranging, please subscribe.